Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Mona here from Ocean View Escapes, and in today's video I will be doing a room tour of one of the Superior Ocean View rooms at the RIU Palace Baja California in Cabo San Lucas. If you've been following me on Instagram and Facebook at Ocean View Escapes, you will have seen that last week I was in Cabo San Lucas on vacation at the RIU Palace Baja California, and I was lucky enough to be able to tour some of their Superior suites and do a room tour. So I'll be giving you guys a glimpse into what the Superior rooms look like and hopefully inspire some of you guys to take a trip down to Cabo as well. The food was great, the rooms were great, the hotel was lovely, and we had a great time, and we also went whale watching. So stay tuned for that video as well. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So here we are at the entrance to the Superior Ocean View room. The suite, I should say, here at the RIU Palace Baja California. Very nice open concept. As you can see here, to your right, you have a separate room here for the toilet. And then in here we have a very large spacious shower with an excellent rainfall shower head. Lots of space in there. And then coming back out, we are right in front of the double vanity sink with plenty of storage on top and underneath. And then over to your left here, we've got the large soaker tub. Very nice and modern. Then over further to your left is the large king-size bed. It's got a firm mattress, but it is very comfortable. A nice feature about this room is the recessed lighting in the ceiling. And we've got this swiveling TV that you can angle towards the living room and swivel it back towards the bed if you're watching TV in bed at night. Also in the living room area here, we've got a little table with 2 chairs for late night room service that you can enjoy right there in your living room. Also to your left here, we've got the walk-in closet, very spacious, in-room safe, plenty of hangers, ironing board and iron in there for you. Plenty of storage above as well with extra pillows and blankets. And then we've got the nice mini bar area, complete with gin, rum, vodka, and tequila. What more do you need? Down below in the mini fridge, we've got some beer, sodas, and water as well. And the main attraction is the excellent ocean view. So I believe this is the 3rd floor. We've got an excellent view of the marina in downtown Cabo San Lucas, the ocean, and the pool area down below. And there to your left is the RIU Santa Fe. And looks like there's plenty of seating there around the pool. Lots of people enjoying their vacation, as you can see. This resort is a ton of fun. You can have a very nice relaxing vacation if you'd like, or participate in some activities by the pool, or just walk down the beach into downtown, which is about a 20-minute walk down there to your right. We had a great time at the RIU Palace Baja California. We definitely recommend it. As you can see from the Ocean View Suite, it's a really excellent resort for adults with lots of excellent amenities, and you're really close to the action. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed taking a glimpse into the RIU Palace Baja California and seeing some of this resort from the excellent Superior Ocean View room. And let us know if you have any questions down below, any other recommendations that you might want for this resort or anything else in Cabo San Lucas. And thank you again for watching Ocean View Escapes.